is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard in my life. Okay, the Amazon owner is rich and doesn't really care. But that doesn't mean that you have to screw the people that helped you get there, you stupid idiot. Hi and welcome to the Husham channel. By now, as you probably know, Amazon just launched the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, and it comes with a big change: Vega OS, a new Linux-based system that's supposed to be faster, cleaner, and more secure. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select has quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, 4K Ultra HD with HDR and Dolby Vision, Bluetooth 5.0. The streaming on the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, whatever the hell it's called, looks crisp. Apps open fast and navigation feels smooth. The biggest change is sideloading is gone. Forget it, it's just gone. You can only use apps from the Amazon's App Store. That's strange new rules, but what can we do? This is good for security, bad for power users such as myself. I want to do whatever the hell I want. I mean, look, VPNs, NordVPN already works with Vega OS. Other VPNs are still adapting. They're trying to catch up. So Nord is there. Now Amazon created the Cloud App Program. It lets you some Android apps stream from the cloud. Not perfect, but it helps expand what you can use. Developers need to write apps for Linux. Some apps will be delayed. Some might never arrive. Fans are split on this. Some love the speed and security, others miss the old flexibility and sideloading. Being myself, I love sideloading. Vega OS is Amazon vision for the future. Yay! So this future that Amazon is hoping for, obviously is the future of people that don't exist, because I really want sideloading. What the hell? Let's be honest about this. If you get Amazon Fire Stick 4K Select, return the hell that thing or back. Tell them I don't want this because you changed the freaking OS. Seriously, I want to be able to do whatever the hell I want. Why is it that we can't do whatever the hell we want? I don't get it. Okay, leave the comment below. I want to know how many of you actually loved the Fire Stick 4K Select. The fact that it's no longer something that we can do whatever we want. I don't like that prospect. What do you think? Did you even enjoy the fact that you bought a Fire Stick 4K Select? No Android, no ability to sideload. You can't do anything. I mean, let's be reminded back when I had a Roku device. I bought it. It was really cool. I can do whatever I want. And then later on, I realized, hey, I can't do anything I want because that's what they did. They restricted everything. Okay, Roku sales went down, but then it kept on going on the same stream because they lied to the public. How do we care? Roku has been lying to the public that we can do whatever they want. We can't. The same thing is happening to the Fire Stick. We can't do whatever we want. So is sales gonna be like, hold on, dude, take that stupid Fire Stick 4K Select and shove it up your behind? Okay, I mean, yes. Well, I don't really care, to be honest, about this new tactics that they're doing. Is this the right way to go? No. Is this the feeling that why do we buy something and we can't do whatever we want? I said back in the old days about the Roku, and back in the old days about the Apple TV, which means that they're doing this on purpose. Now I'm gonna make my own stick. That's it. I've had enough. I'm making my own stick, and I'm gonna sell it to the public. If they want to do whatever they want, they can do whatever the hell they want. That is the whole idea. Why am I paying for something that I can't do whatever I want? I want to buy something and do whatever the heck I want. I mean, seriously, there's a battle going on right now about Apple and Android phones. I mean, everybody heard about this. Most people, they know the people who have got Apple phones are converting to the Android phone. Most people are saying, let's buy an Android phone. Because what? I mean, you've seen it. We all seen it. Because we like to buy something and do our own customization. Voice recording, we can do it. Application, we can do it. Now the same thing happening to the Fire Stick 4K. We want something that we can do whatever we want. Not go ahead and force us to do whatever you want. Says, what am I buying something and being forced to put something else? If you go back to the old ways and you have got these little tiny bricks, I can't even imagine why buying an Android Fire Stick 4K Select with their own Linux thing. By the way, that there's no developers now. The only developer is NordVPN, and most of them are trying to do an application. Okay, AI is helping right now, but let's be honest. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard in my life. Why? Okay, the Amazon owner is rich and doesn't really care. But that doesn't mean that you have to screw the people that helped you get there, you stupid idiot. I'm sorry, I know, that's my 2 cents of this whole thing. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the Husham MEMOR YouTube channel for more tech updates, and drop your thoughts down below, guys. I want to know, have you tried the Vega OS yet? Have you even bought the latest Amazon? This is crazy, I know, but let's see. Okay guys, see you guys later. Bye-bye.